Hello and welcome back to Stephansbilderwelt. Today I would like to take a closer look at the Røde microphone Videomic Pro. At the moment you're listening to the sound of it. Also I do record with the Samsung Meteor mic. So now you listen to this sound, and at the end of the introduction you will see a bit of footage with the Videomic Pro. Also I do record with the Sony Alpha 580 with the inbuilt microphone, and I guess you can clearly hear the difference of the sound. Okay, back to the Videomic Pro from Røde, and let's have a closer look now. The stereo Videomic Pro by Australian manufacturer Røde comes with a 10-year warranty and a battery life of over 100 hours. The microphone itself has a high quality, as the word Pro says. Only the suspension with the rubber bands feels a little wobbly, but I guess it fulfills the purpose. But the Røde comes with replacement rubbers, which are fairly easy to replace. In addition, a wide range of accessoires is available. I got the Røde with a windshield. The recording quality leaves nothing to be desired, but I would use different microphones for an interview. The Røde is more suitable for recording the ambient sound. It cannot be adjusted so well to an object, but that is what this microphone has been developed for. A green LED light helps to check the battery condition. However, for an important shot, you will have, of course, a spare battery in the luggage. The 9V battery is not included, what would be expected given it a high price tag. For a Sony camera, unfortunately, you need a hot shoe adapter, as the Røde microphone cannot be attached directly to the Sony camera. The microphone can be screwed onto a tripod. I can also adjust the volume initially by a slider. A high-pass filter can be switched on. The microphone is connected via a 3.5mm jack. As a conclusion, we can say that the Røde mic is a really good buy. The quality of the sound recording is perfect for me. If you want to record ambient sounds, you have with the Røde Videomic Pro a perfect microphone. The size is obviously very noticeable on a small camcorder like mine. And now a few sound samples. As always, if you like my video, click the thumb up button, tell your friends, and of course, subscribe. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Auto direkt hoch, ne? Auto direkt hoch.